right, next up, some of our favorite items. These are 45 millimeter smoke mines. These are a no debris shot. They are designed for proximate use. You may notice at the beginning of NFL games and college football games, it looks a little bit smoky at the beginning of the broadcast. That's because they're shooting a whole bunch of these in the stadiums. All right, the second shot is going to be 2 of those vertically in the same spot, just to do a denser column. These are an updated performance. This is a new package for this year. The tube has been improved. They get a little bit more height. We've actually made them even cleaner than they were in the past. And you get a bubble shot. And you'll be able to see these at Mizzou on a weekly basis this fall. We've got yellow. This is light blue, great for a gender reveal.